Did you know the hardest test you will ever face is the one where failing has no consequences? The vault door sits open, not by accident, by design. He stands at the entrance, alone, in the quiet dark. The same door he once slipped through like a shadow. The same cool metal. The same faint smell of old stone and iron. No cameras, no witnesses, no punishment waiting on the other side of a wrong choice. His old self would have already been inside, but he does not move forward. He stands still, and something strange happens. He realizes the stillness is not a struggle. It is just who he is now. That is the moment it becomes real. Not when someone watched him and he behaved. Not when the risk was too high. Here, in perfect silence, with every door open and no one looking, he simply has no desire to go back. The Stoics believe this. Character is not what you perform under pressure. It is what you choose when no one will ever know. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.